In 1996, Jaguar shook up the luxury grand touring segment by releasing a two-door coupe to replace the XJS. This car was designed to rival the likes of BMW's 8 Series and Aston Martin's DB7. Here's how Top Gear presenter Jeremy Clarkson summarized the 1997 Jaguar XK8.
It's 3 times better than the 8 Series BMW and 5 times better than the old XJS. But most important of all, it costs just a little over half as much as a DB7. Frankly, it's my kind of car too, a big V8 GT. It's magnificent, but I couldn't buy one. If push came to shove, I just couldn't do it. This is what I'd go for, the XK8 Convertible. It's got an even more bulbous bottom than the coupe, and it's £7,000 more expensive. But, oh, just but, all right?
In short, buy the convertible. And this was the model from the 90s. When the 2003 model year cars were released, the 4-liter was replaced with a 4.2-liter, bumping the power up to 300 and the torque to 310. At the same time, they changed out the 5-speed transmission for a 6-speed, and that helped the XK8 to hustle to 60 miles an hour in just 6.5 seconds. The following year, in 2004, the grille, wheels, and some subtle body lines were updated, which brings us to 2005, which is what we see here. So without further ado, Next Level Auto presents to you the 2005 Jaguar XK8 Convertible.